Alright guys, taking a cruise out here to check out some camera settings on the DJI Neo. I've been trying to get the footage to look better off of this little guy, so I'm doing some experimenting today. It's early in the morning, golden hour, bright sun, early spring morning in Michigan. You can see it's a little too early for the landscape to be greened up yet, but we're just going to make a big circle and see how the camera handles some different conditions here. I'm going to kind of turn into the sun on the left and see how that works. There's no ND filter on the camera, so this is raw, everything automatic, except for no stabilization, using Gyroflow for that. Alright, so we've jumped ahead. We're making a right turn, kind of heading more into the sun, and we're going to make a turn to the right to see kind of how Gyroflow handles that and how the camera transitions as the sun moves around behind us. It looks pretty smooth, really. It's pretty breezy, so for the Neo, it was definitely getting tossed around, and you can tell by the horizon angle as we go along here. So definitely improving things. So we're just going to head along the pond here. Now the sun is mostly to the right. See how the camera handles this for a minute here. It definitely looks pretty good. The landscape is lit up nicely, which is really cool to see. I'm flying at about 150, 120 feet high. I don't think I ever got above 160 feet from here. I'm not too far away. I'm just kind of sitting off to the right by my vehicle. So we'll make a right turn into the sun here on the way back and kind of see how that looks. So here we go, we're heading right straight into the sun. We can kind of see a lot of dark shadows behind these little pine trees. We're definitely a lot lower now, probably 40 feet or something, 50 feet, something like that. And we'll just jump on over here and cruise along for a minute. I'm going to drop it down low so we can kind of see at around 10 or 15 feet what the ground looks like going by that kind of motion blur scenario, heading back to the vehicle kind of right into the sun. So that's what I got, guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.